Want to remove or hide unwanted text from a video using CapCut? Here's a simple masking method you can try. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. Then, click Import and select the video you want to edit. Drag it into the main timeline. Next, right-click the video clip and select Copy. Then right-click the track above the original clip and choose Paste to create the duplicate. Now, select the lower video clip and click Effects in the top left corner. Search for Blur, then drag the blur effect onto the lower clip. Adjust the ends of it so the effect covers the entire video. After that, select the duplicate clip on the upper part of the timeline. Go to Video on the right side panel, click Mask, then click Add Mask. Resize the rectangle and reposition it so it covers the text you want to hide. Then, click Reverse in the mask settings. Under Track Mask, click Track and wait for CapCut to finish processing. Once tracking is complete, play the video from the start to finish and make sure the unwanted text stays hidden. Finally, click Export. Choose your preferred video settings and name it. Click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully hid unwanted text using mask and tracking in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.